Finance and sales operations teams live in a world of audits. And when the auditors arrive, the first thing they look for is a clean, reliable, and consistent commission process. That's where Spiff steps in. Spiff ensures audit-ready compliance by completely removing the biggest risk factor, manual spreadsheets. First, Spiff integrates directly with your CRM, ERP, and other systems to pull data automatically. This means the commission calculations are based on a single source of truth, eliminating errors from copy-pasting or outdated files. Second, the platform automates the calculation of even the most complex compensation plans, from tiers and accelerators to splits and overrides. This automation provides a consistent result every time, a key requirement for any financial audit. Automation alone isn't enough, you need proof. Spiff's core compliance features revolve around its deep, comprehensive audit trail. Every single action, from a new compensation plan version to a one-off adjustment, is meticulously logged. You can see who made a change, when they made it, and why, often with mandatory comments attached. For auditors, this is the gold standard of governance. Crucially, Spiff offers historical statement locking. Once commissions are paid out, those records are permanently locked, ensuring that an auditor can always trace the final number back to the original source data and approved plan. For the finance team, the focus shifts to accounting standards. Spiff is built to handle the complexities of ASC 606 and IFRS 15 revenue recognition standards. Spiff automatically generates the required commission expense reports, providing a clear, accurate, and amortized view of your commission costs. This is no longer a manual, month-end scramble in Excel. It's an automated, audit-ready report available in a few clicks. By providing a single, traceable, and secure platform for calculation, change management, and financial reporting, Spiff turns what used to be a frantic, stressful audit prep into a simple, confident reporting exercise. You get to spend less time digging for evidence and more time trusting your numbers.